Corvette here at Unique, especially in classics. And this one is a one-owner 1975 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Numbers matching, 354 barrel underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold on this one. Original mile car too, about 46,000 I believe it was, actual miles according to the original owner of this car. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior, start it up, we'll look at those exact miles. Let you take a look at this front bumper cover. There is a little bit of stress cracking, kind of spider web, if you can see that in there. Of course, this, again, the last year of the C3 convertibles. Won't come around again until I believe, what, 1986? Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, see the underside, the engine bay, interior, see it with the top up, top down. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, phone number 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct rally wheels. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. It doesn't appear to be full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, classic white with saddle vinyl interior. That is the original color combination of this car. Your 4-speed center console. FYI, wipers work, radio works. Mentioned the air blows cold. We're going to put up the top too. Top is in nice shape. Would be a white vinyl top. Is a manual top. One person can put it up in probably a minute. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear bumper has been replaced with a fiberglass bumper. And once again, still pictures so you can see the underside, interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. There is a cover over along the wall that you can see there. I will put that in the little cubby behind the seats. It also comes with the original window sticker, comes with the owner's manual. It will also come with the service manuals the original owner purchased. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Also free of nicks, dings, or scratches. There's a few imperfections that have been touched up over here, but overall, considering the age of the car, and white is a little more forgiving when it comes to that type of thing. There is a few, but again, considering age, miles overall, is what you'd expect. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Again, saddle vinyl. Does have power windows. You can see those on the center console here. Controllers right there. Vinyl seat shows a little bit of wear in the stitching right there. Be a nice one to get in and just drive. All right, let's fire this up. Check out the exact miles. There we go, 46,870. You can see that. And again, according to the original owner, those are actual miles. Starts easily, sounds good. Again, AC blows cold. Wipers, not a problem there. Wipers work great. Again, 4-speed manual. I also clicked up the headlamps. As you can see, the headlamp light works right there. Take a look up over the hood. Both headlamps are up. Let's go ahead and make sure we're in neutral. Let's take a look at the gauges here too. Fuel gauge, temp gauge, let it warm up to see if that would work. Also, choke worked on it because I want to get that high idle off so you guys can hear it idle at about 700-800 RPMs. Oil pressure looks good. Battery, one thing that's not working, clock. I did mention the radio works. All good there too. All right, slip around behind this so you can hear it run. We'll pop the hood, check out that engine bay. So no crazy exhaust, anything wild there. It's a nice sounding 350 underneath the hood. Take a look at the headlights up. All good there. going to pause this a second. Let's pop that hood. Then I'll shut everything back off and down. We'll check out that convertible top. And here it is, numbers matching, 354 barrel, power steering, power brakes, AC, smooth runner. Slip around to the passenger side here. Get a peek from over here. Has been converted too, as you can see, from the original R12. All right. I'm going to shut these lights off, close up the hood, turn it off. Let me get that top up. We'll check that out and finish this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up. Again, white vinyl. Do not see any rips, tears, holes. Goes up and down very easily. Nice clear rear window. And you can see it fits nice along the bottom. You don't always see them fit like that in these C3s. Nice fit up above the windshield. It's going to do its job. Keep you dry or out of the sun, whichever the need may be. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Remember, one owner, original miles. Comes with a window sticker, owner's manual, repair manuals, a cover. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.